everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another budgeting and cash stuffing video. Y'all, first and foremost, I cannot wait to do another setup and get this tablecloth off of here. Okay? I cannot wait. It's not my highest priority, but it's definitely a priority. Okay? I can always flip this over, but I'm just tired, y'all. Like, I want a whole new setup. So, and I'm going to make that happen for myself. I'm going to do some DIY. I believe that's what you call it. Yeah, DIY. Yes, y'all. Hello. I had to go on my little rant. Hello. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for being here, okay? Your girl sure do appreciate y'all. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay? You could have been on anybody else's video, but you stopped by to see your girl, and I appreciate you, okay? So today we will be doing my favorite binder. My favorite. It has become my favorite. And that's my sinking fund binder. Okay, you guys? That's my sinking funds binder. So the budget was, I do batch videos. And it was $136 budget that I split up amongst my binders. Now I work at Home Depot. I'm part-time. I get $16 an hour. That's my job. But then I do DoorDash and I make content. And I get a little money from both of them. So DoorDashing brought me in $136. I really didn't dash a lot at all. Okay. So hopefully that'll get better. So out of that 136, sinking funds was allocated $35, y'all. $35 this time. Okay, so my emergency fund will be getting $5 because my goal, you guys, is to hit that $1,000 emergency fund quota and beyond. Okay, I'm not gonna stop there. KE loans will be getting $5. That's my girl who loaned me some money to, to help me out, help my family out, to get out of this bind. We was in a bind, Nate. So I really appreciate that and her. God is good, y'all. You never know where your blessings gonna come from. Be good to people and be a good person, and I believe you will be rewarded. Okay, debt will be getting $5 as well. I have some personal debt. Shopping will be getting $5. I want to get a car, so I need to start saving for it. That will be getting $5 as well. My insurance will be getting $2. Still working on that life insurance. And you guys, I have to get a P.O. box. So I have to save for that. I have so much to do, you guys. How do y'all find the time? How do y'all prioritize? Well, I guess you always prioritize the most important thing in that order, So I just got some more writing to do, y'all. I'm almost through a whole little notebook from writing. I just got to figure it out. And the more I write, the more it comes to me. Credit card will be getting $2. Everything, all my credit cards maxed out and in collections, honey. So I'm trying to just motivate myself to give them $2. Because right now, I just have to get all my stuff in order and just talk to the people. So I'm going to be working on that in 2025. That is one of my goals. So I'm already on it. Thanks in advance. Okay, transportation will be getting $2. That's for future plates, tags, things of that nature. And like I stated, taxes going to get $2 too because your girl, in case something happened, I just need to pay my taxes. Normally, with my self-employment, and normally I was always self-employed doing Uber Eats and DoorDash, but I have worked at Home Depot this year. So this will be my first year not going off of self-employment income only. So I will have a check to add to that as well. So I just need to start paying a little bit towards my taxes as far as my self-employment goes, instead of, they normally just take it out. You know what I mean? They take it out of my taxes, what I owe for the year. But I still want to just have a little cushion, put it in there in case something gets screwed up or something like that. But yes, so taxes will be getting $2. Now this is my Thinkings Fund binder portion of that 136 that I earned doing my DoorDash. Okay, you guys? So let's get into it. How y'all doing today? I hope everyone is doing lovely. Thanksgiving was amazing. Okay? I already know. And if something happens, since this is a batch video, y'all already know I'm filming it on Thanksgiving. But so I'm not going to even say it was amazing. I'm claiming it's going to be amazing. Thanksgiving is going to be amazing. Y'all will see this video after Thanksgiving. I know it sounds crazy, but um, today my plans is to just love family, do some folding some clothes, and just chilling. I took my shower, did me a facial, y'all. Rubbed my feet down, my body down with coconut oil, put me on some pajamas, y'all, with some socks, and threw my hair up in a ponytail, brushed it out, greased my scalp. I'm chilling today, okay? This is the day that I will be chilling and enjoying my family, okay? So let's get into the video. First, let's count this money. So today we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Y'all, I don't care where you are in life. It's not it's not even, it's never too little, like too little of money to start saving. I don't care if you start with that penny. If you start with that copper, boy, start saving. Get you a couple of them. Get you 10 of them copper boys. You got 10 cents. Okay. So emergency fund will be getting $5. Now emergency fund has 100, 105, 110, 115. Hey, Ben. KE loans will be getting $5. Y'all saw me put that in there. That's that envelope. Debt will be getting $5 as well. Shopping will be getting $5. Oh yeah, the money from the savings challenge. That's what the shopping. I bought birthday gift. I mean, not birthday. I brought Christmas gifts. It was such a beautiful time. Me, Jaden, and Will went. So we got Christmas gifts, y'all. It was such a good time. Y'all watched me complete that savings challenge. I still got a December savings challenge to do where I can get, hopefully my goal is to get my family back at home. A couple of gifts, you know what I mean, and my parents. So it's all gonna work out. I already know it because I can already see it. So, but we did spend that $300. I think it was like $340 or something like that. We was at the mall, y'all, for like 6 hours. Okay. Had a wonderful time. Me, Will, and Jaden. That was some good family time. Trying on clothes, buying stuff. Like, it was amazing. And we caught some good sales too, y'all. Okay, car will be getting $5. And y'all see all these savings challenges? I mean, it don't. That don't have a savings challenge. Oh, I know why. Because I'm working out for this sinking fund. Some of them that's not in here, I got my whole binder. I'm going to be working out of that binder. So now car has $10. So I have my whole binder full with saving challenges that I'm going to be working on. Well, it's not a lot. It is. It's one for every month. And then it's the $1,000 one. And it's like a couple other ones, like one other one that's in the binder. Insurance will be getting $2. So, yeah. So we still have some challenges to do that's not in here. So insurance will be getting $2. Yep, and I can't wait. Like my girl said, I cannot wait to start saving for Christmas in January. Do y'all know how that sound? How that feel? Sorry, y'all. Do y'all know how proud I am and how that motivate me watching y'all be done with Christmas? Y'all got everything saved already for Christmas. You ain't no stress on complete no last minute challenges or nothing else. Like y'all, it's so motivating. Y'all ain't even worried about it. Y'all done saved all year. Y'all Christmas straight. Nothing to even worry about. Whew, that's what I'm talking about. That's motivation. That's goals for me, honey. Just life, bills, everything, all your envelopes here. Something happened with your car. Oh, here you go. You know what I mean? You got that emergency. You got your car fund already fully funded. I can do it too. If y'all can do it, I can do it. So travel getting $2. Now I have seven. Five, 6, 7. Travel has a savings challenge. Cause I want to travel with my family this year. But you got to plan for it. Just can't go willy-nilly. Credit cards will be getting $2. 1, 2. Now it has 7, 5, 6, 7. That's why you guys, y'all continue to pray for me. Because I need another car so I can be out doing my DoorDash. Like if I want to work DoorDash at night, you know what I mean, 4 days a week, I can. Like I can get in my car and do a night. Do 7 nights if I want to. Just not nights, dinner rush from like 5 to 9. You know what I mean? And I need that. I need to be able to do that. I need that extra income. Now I'm hoping for full time somewhere. And hopefully this interview I just had. But, I just gotta, it's all coming together. I'm not going to worry about it. It's all going to be okay. Okay? Transportation, we'll be getting $2. It's all coming together. So now transportation has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's all going to come together. But yeah, I want to be able to do my DoorDash, you know what I mean? And then I can make content like with me doing my DoorDash. It's going to all be okay, though. It's going to come together. Taxes going to get $2. 1, 2. Now it has 5, 6, 7 in taxes. And I'm saving all this stuff is, I don't know. It ain't for 2024. So you guys, that was the end of this batch content. If you like videos like this or you liked my channel and watching me, can you please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll know when your girl come on or when she dropped the video, okay? And like I said, thank you guys for all the support, okay? And y'all, I still have a few binders, $10 plus shipping. I have multiple colors in case you're interested in them. Just message me. My contact information will be in the description box below. And see you guys on the next batch video. And you know what? Your girl gonna see y'all in them comments too. See y'all in the comments. Bye.